Hi everyone, it's Laura. Welcome back to another video. Today I am filming a shop with me at Target. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already for more videos. I did go on a rainy day, so this is a quick shop with me, only new stuff. So I did find some New Year's Eve stuff. So these horns and noisemakers are $1. The foil balloons are $3. The banners are $3 as well. So they have a few. For $3, they have light up eyewear. I found some stunning string lights. These are $5 each. They have it in rose gold, silver, and gold. These stars here are $1 each, and they have a few different ones as well. For $3, I found these small bags. These are really sparkly or metallic. They have it in rose gold, silver, and gold. These necklaces are $3 each, and they have a few different ones as well. These mini crowns are $3 each. It comes in silver and gold. And here in the back they have photo props, photo backdrops. So these are $3 each. This fringe background thing is beautiful. And of course they have wine bags. These are $1 each, and they had very pretty designs on them. They had glassware for $3, 2020, Kiss Me at Midnight, some cute sayings on them. These wood crates are $3, so they are a gift box. This is a weekly dashboard for $3. These calendars are $3 as well, and they have it in different designs. This sticker book is $3. Writing utensils for $1. Here they had sticky notes, labels, stencils for $1 each. For $5, they have some planner binders. This was open, so I don't want to touch it anymore. The pages were coming out. They have some cute journals with sayings on them. These are $3 each. These perpetual calendars are $5, and these calendars down here are also $5, so a little bigger. These notebooks are $3 each. Again, some sayings on them. These list pads are also $1. This one here has a water count included, also $1. These clipboard calendars are $3 each. These down here were hard to film with one hand. These are some huge dry erase calendars for $5. For the same price, $5, they have these chalkboard weekly calendars. These are huge, and they have another one that says this morning, this afternoon, this evening, and that one is dry erase, again $5. So here I saw this cute headband. This is Cat and Jack for $5.99, and they also have one with a cute bow, $5.99 as well. I went around to see if I found any new gift sets. I found a 100-piece eyeshadow palette for $10. For any other gift sets and stuff, check my previous videos. This lash set $10, the emergency kit $8. This palette with lots of nudes, these are $10. They have some body wash, shower gel, $5 each. It comes in gingerbread, apple cinnamon, and peppermint. This brush set with confetti inside the handles, $12 each. These flannel pajama sets, $20. So these were on sale when I went. So that is it, guys. That is the end of this video. Again, these are only the new things that I found. Check out any previous Shop with me is to be updated. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.